Hi, my name is Greg, and I developed a method called the ACRE method of English. The whole purpose of the ACRE method is to teach students how to learn English quickly and fluently. In the process of meeting many students through the application called Cambly, I was able to tutor many students. And I was able to find out what the students need in terms of developing their English skills. So after 2 years and thousands of students, I came up with this method. And I've been teaching students this method ever since. The ACRE method is very simple. There's 4 parts, and it takes 8 steps. The 4 parts are associate, characterization, repetition, and extension. These are the 4 parts of the ACRE method. It takes 8 steps to complete the 4 parts. Now, I developed this method, and I share this method with you in my course, which is by the same name. And of course, you can purchase my course here online for just $20. Now, for some people, $20 may sound like a lot of money. But when you begin to search the internet for online courses in English or to take classes, public classes on English, it can run into hundreds of dollars. But my course, for $20, one-time fee, will show you a method that you can use every day of your life. Once you learn the 4 parts and follow the 8 steps, you will have a skill that will take you to the rest of your life. And not only can you learn English with this method, but this method can be used to learn other languages as well. So if you want to learn Arabic, or you want to learn French or German or Swahili, this method can be used also. And I've also developed a plan by which you can become an affiliate of this course. You can sign up for the affiliates and share this course with others and get paid for sharing this course. So once you purchase this course and you learn it and see how powerful it is, then you can share this through the affiliate program and make some money. So my heart is here to say this method is such a powerful thing. And if you follow these 4 parts, you're going to learn English fluently and quickly. I guarantee within 6 months, you'll be able to speak English well. Again, I've tutored and taught many students, over 8,000 up to this point. And I've been doing it over 2 years. So I know and I see what these students want. And if you're a teacher and you are often asked the same question, like, how can I learn to speak English quickly and fluently? This course is for you. You purchase this course, you will find out and follow this course, and you will have a method that you can apply in your class to your students anytime. So the ACRE method of learning English or any language is a powerful course. So I ask you, please purchase this course. Take a look at it, purchase it, and put it into your life. And you will be able to speak English or any language fluently and quickly. This has been Greg, and you have a great day.